Hello everyone, welcome back to all in our EVS class. Water is life and clean water means health. With this quotation, we will continue our lesson number 4, water safe for drinking. In last video, we have seen method of making muddy water clean and transparent. But such water may still not be potable or safe. And today we are going to learn water safe for drinking or potable water. Water which is healthy and safe to drink, it is called potable water. Water which does not endanger our health in any way when we drink, it is called safe drinking water. Children, pure water has no taste, smell or color. If water has color or a foul smell means a bad smell. One must avoid drinking it. We should not drink it. Children, when we get muddy water during the rains, we allow it to settle before using it. If necessary, we use alum or we filter the water. After filtration, its muddiness disappears and water looks clean and transparent. Children, can you say that it is safe for drinking? No, it is not safe for drinking. Even if water looks clean and transparent, it may carry germs causing disease. Now, let's learn some more about this. Now, we will see new terms. Micro means very small or tiny. Organism means a living things, and together it microorganism, a living things that cannot be seen by the naked eye or even with a magnifying glass. Microscope, an instrument for looking at very small things which we cannot see with our eyes or even through a magnifying glass. Children, do you know, if we take a bit of yogurt means curd, or drop of buttermilk on a glass slide and place the slide under a microscope, we see very tiny living things in it. They are called microorganisms. These microorganisms convert milk into yogurt. They are useful for us. But all microorganisms are not useful. Some microorganisms cause diseases when they enter our body. They are said to be harmful microorganisms. There are numerous kinds of microorganisms. There are different types of microorganisms around us. They are everywhere around us. They are in soil, in water, in air, on rocks, that is, anywhere and everywhere. Children, even if harmful microorganisms are present in water, we cannot see them. Now, though the water with such microorganisms looks transparent, would it be safe for drinking? No, it is not safe for drinking. It is necessary to destroy microorganisms present in water before using it. Children, you may know that during the rainy season we often hear of an outbreak of diarrhea, or gastritis. Outbreaks means sudden rise of diseases like diarrhea. Diarrhea means dysentery or vomiting, and gastritis means inflammation of stomach or paining of stomach. At such times, we need to boil the water that has been cleaned by settling and filtration. After settling and filtration, we should boil the water. Only then does it become safe for drinking. Boiling the water kills the microorganisms in it and prevents diseases. So, boiling water is easiest and best method to get pure water. Children, what we have learned? Some substances dissolve in water while some substances do not. Some things float on water, some sink and settle at the bottom. In order to obtain clean water, muddy water is allowed to settle. After settling, the water is cleaned further by swirling, means rotating alum in it, or by filtration. Even in clean transparent water, microorganisms can be present. It is necessary to have safe water for drinking. So, water must be boiled to destroy any microorganism in it. Children, always remember these microorganisms have great importance in our lives. Children, now homework time. Copy the spellings and read the lesson number 4. Water safe for drinking.